wanted to put together a video here of my read on what we got going on in the market right now, with the correlation with the almighty dollar. We're seeing some weird stuff here in the dollar. We've got support down there at 75.69, and we got really close to it the other day, about 4 days ago. This is an end of the day chart. Both the dollar charts I'm going to bring you. You won't see today's action. Maybe I'll bring an intraday chart over to show you what's going on. We got exactly what I was looking for, a couple days ago in this big monster rip. We were able to hold 77.28. Dollar reversed. The oversold RSI popped above 30. It popped it like we expected. We got the bullish MACD cross. Gave it the room and another technical buy signal. Stochastics came out above 20, broke out of this box. Definitely room for juice. What I am expecting, minus what happened yesterday, what I'm expecting is this dollar to possibly go on a run, get up to about 79.5, 80, right up in this area, test this downward trend line. And now, if that happens, we're going to definitely see a pullback in the equity markets. I believe if that happens and we see the dollar up 79.5, 80 bucks, we're going to have this market come on down to 115 at least, which as a spider, 115 equates to 1150 on the cash. We could slip a little more. I don't think we will, but we could fall back into this consolidation chop, 114, 113. But I honestly believe 115 is going to be the load zone. Market's been very frustrating the past couple of days because you see that power rip that it had. Came into yesterday with a very neutral mindset, very light, took off most of my swings the day before with the the dollar rallying. And then yesterday we gave it all back. Gave every red cent of it back. Now today, we've got the dollar sitting here trading at about 77.60. So it's up here, the upper three-quarter range of this candle, it's holding off this support. And it's putting pressure on the overall equity market. Here's the weekly of the USD. It's a chart that I've had built for a very long time. These support and resistance areas, I don't change them. These numbers stay the same. They don't move. We caught perfect support off of a 3-year trend line. Right there, tested twice here. Tested here, put in a nice hammer candle, inverted hammer we're building on the weekly here, and it's catching support. The RSI is in a falling wedge, coming down to 30, about ready to round out, break out of this wedge possibly. MACD has been in Davy Jones' locker since June, starting to round out. Stochastics are, oversold isn't the word for this. All signs are pointing to a dollar move here. And we can go ahead and look at the intraday spider chart, and just to show you how correlated it is. Dollar this morning, we had a nice sizable gap up in the market this morning. We went and broke new highs. We hit 109.42, and then the dollar caught a bid, and it's as simple as that. Let me bring you over to the intraday dollar chart. Dollar caught a bid. As the dollar was weak this morning, the market went and broke a new high, and then look at this little rocket ship ride, 50-cent move. But 50-cent move in this dollar was enough to cause this market to drop, more than a point. We've got a gap to fill down here at 117.87. We didn't quite get to it. So basically, we're at the mercy of the almighty dollar here right now, and we need to see a decisive break. I'm frustrated. A lot of other traders are frustrated right now. I want the dollar to do something. The longer it sits around in this area, just the more choppiness we're going to exhibit. Definitely recommending, if you must be in this market, quarter size, very small. Don't be aggressive. Be patient. Hit the cruise control button. Wait for this thing to come around. And we're waiting on a decisive break on the dollar. And that's pretty much my read going forward here for the next few days. And perfect world, dollar rallies up to 79.5, 80 bucks. Pulls us back to 115. We get aggressive again. In the meantime, be very careful. That's about all I got.